Sniffling, sneezing, coughing, aching, nausea. Sounds like almost every morning for me. Tonight, a warning from medical experts, though. The combination of flu, COVID, RSV, and norovirus has created what's being called a quademic.
And it's also leading to many hospital beds filling up across the Mid-South. Fox 13's health reporter Mandy Rock spoke with a number of doctors today. So, Mandy, at this point, what are they most concerned about?
Well, typically these illnesses peak at different times in the season, but this year people are getting the viruses roughly around the same time, and there is some concern it may overcrowd hospitals.
We have seen an increase in flu, RSV, COVID.
Norovirus is also in the mix. Medical experts calling it a quademic.
People have less opportunities to get out, get separated socially. A lot of people gathered over the holidays, and so you're just now seeing where those rates are ticking up.
While it's common to see a surge of respiratory illnesses in the winter, this year there's a new concern. The CDC is asking doctors to test patients for bird flu due to the ongoing outbreak of the virus in animals.
There's enough concern about it right now that the CDC has asked us not to just test for flu anymore. They want to know exactly what type of flu it is.
The bird flu virus has infected more than 65 people in the U.S. during this current outbreak. Most were sickened after working with infected dairy cattle or poultry. But earlier this month, a patient in Louisiana died from the virus after being exposed to a non-commercial backyard flock and wild birds.
If we get one of those things that jumps into humans that's both contagious and lethal, we would have something that would make COVID really pale in comparison.
Doctors urge you to take precautions.
Good hand washing, right? Socially distancing when possible. Staying home when you're sick, that's a huge one. And keeping your kids home if they're sick so that we don't spread illness throughout the community.
And if you haven't gotten your flu shot yet, it is not too late. Flu cases here in the Mid-South tend to peak much later than they do in other parts of the country, so doctors say you still have plenty of time. Daryl Darcy.
That is Fox 13's health reporter Mandy Rock reporting live tonight. Thank you so much, Mandy.